Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see how to create controller for the messages. So I will import the messages model over here, and I'll say export constant send message. It's async function over here, and then I am having my try catch block. If there is any error, then we will just send wait, let me just copy that. I'll paste it over here, and let's do one thing now. I'll say constant new message over here, and I will say new message. And inside of this new message, I will send the parameters, and then await new message dot save. I will save this message, and whatever is the status 200 that message has been created, I will just send a new message to the message as a response. Okay, so this is for creating the new message, but now I have to send the parameters. So I will destructure the data from the request body. Okay, so request body, whatever is request body sending the data, I will destructure that, like conversation, and then I will have the sender, then I will have the text, what they have sent, and the same data I will just copy paste and send it inside of the messages. Okay, so this is how we create the message over here. And then I will create my another controller over here. I'll do one thing, I'll copy paste the same thing down below. Export constant get message by conversation, and when it comes to the get message by the per conversation, so I will send data, I mean the ID over the params, and that will be the conversation ID. I will send the conversation ID over here, and then I'm having the try and catch block. So as the constant messages is equal to await message dot find, and message dot find I will try to find a message whose conversation ID whose conversation parameter message with matches exactly matches with the conversation ID which I'm sending over the request.params. I've already taught what is this request.params, how we can send a ID over the URL, and if it is matching, then I will populate some of the parameters. So I will populate sender over here, and of senders I will populate the username. Okay, so this is how we get the messages, and once we are done getting the messages, I will send those messages to the front end site, and it's not status 201, it's a 200. 200 is basically for the success and 201 for the created. Okay, so I will just send this messages at the front end side. Now let me just go to the route of the messages, and I'll do one thing, I'll copy this, I'll paste this over here, and where is my messages route? I will copy this, I'll paste this over here, .js, send message, and get message I have posted. So this is my route to post the message, and to post the message I will copy paste this over here, and to get any message I will be sending the conversation ID over here, and I'll copy this, paste this over here, and this is fine. Okay, so now let me just do one thing. I'll come here and I will integrate my routes. So I'll say import conversation routes, and routes.conversation I will import. Then I will again do one thing, import message route, and I will import them from the routes dot messages. I'll come down below and I will copy paste this twice, and I'll say conversations. This is the name I'm giving, and messages. Okay, so I'll copy this, paste this over here, and I'll copy this, paste this over here. Okay, so it is able to route properly. Oh, something has crashed. Let me just check. Conversation route of conversation. Okay, okay, it is for the messages. Okay, so now our backend is ready and we have fully integrated everything. So you can check out all these routes with the help of the Postman, how things are working and all. I have already shown in the other tutorials how to do that. And now our backend is fully ready and is functioning fine. We can now start working on the front end side, and we will see how to integrate the backend with the front end side, and how to create a chat application. So thanks for watching, and the next tutorial I will show you how to build the front end. So keep watching and do let me know how you like this tutorial.